Oh no, look at this. I came to do some flying and there's a load of beasties standing in my way. I need to open this gate. What am I going to do about that? I need to come in here. Can you all back off, please? You going to back off? Scaredy cows. Come on, back off. So this is the Hobby King Tundra with a bit of a bent prop.
Oh yes, it's bent. I've got some spares.
Are you replacing the prop or are we?
It's out by about 1/4 of an inch. It's going to shake itself to pieces and then fall apart.
Hey, I can hear a tractor, you know.
Yeah.
So they come and collect these things. We've got incoming tractor.
Well, fingers crossed, won't take long.
No, it shouldn't do. Is this good entertainment for everybody? You know, just, what do you think? Do you think people like this? Me filming a tractor.
It's the real world, isn't it?
It's the real world. But sometimes the real world is too ugly to show the real world.
Yeah.
How many's he got on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was right, I think he's going to get 8 on there. And then he does one again, doesn't he, on the top? Did you manage to get any diesel, sorry, because you know what? I'm on the red. And I am not panicking.
When I first heard it, this was it Friday morning, on the media about don't panic buy. I went to my local superstore and I had a look and I thought, it's not busy, but I'm going to fuel up anyway because I got like 2 parents to look after, so I got to make sure I can get about. But it wasn't so much, it wasn't the number. I mean, the forecourt was kind of full, but not crazy busy. It was people's attitudes. They were arguing with each other about positioning their car. They were all trying to get to the next slot that was free of air. Just pick a pump and stick with it. You'll get there in the next couple of minutes. But everyone was just being fools about it.
I think the moment that the media says don't panic.
Oh, it's so stupid.
It's like
just keep their mouths shut.
That's just
you know?
like, it's saying when someone says just relax, let all the idiots get their fuel and they'll sit there with their full tanks and then I can turn up at like 10 o'clock at night when they've, you know, filled them back up. But when I drove past Tesco and BP last night, both shut. And I'm on a red light. So yeah, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So there's 3 over there,
10, 9,
and
12,
just 1 over
13.
there.
You got 13 on there. Show us your flaps. You're not allowed to say that anymore, are you? Oh no!
Check the wind. That'll do. It's just picked up now, hasn't it? Crikey.
Yeah, just in time for takeoff, the wind has gone very blowy.
I haven't touched the trims again, same as Tuesday night. Needs a little bit of right.
Trim center.
Oh, that's the wind. Oh,
Whoa.
my radio. Wow, got to watch that. That was a harsh bank over.
It was, wasn't it?
Oh, the air ones are very powerful. Crikey, yeah.
There's a fair wind blowing as well, which is gonna...
Because this is a much smaller, this is like 51-inch wingspan. I think the Cub's a bit bigger.
1.4 metre the Cub is. I don't know what that is in inches.
That's dead sticking to breeze. It could just be a lot of choppy air today.
I think so.
It feels a little bit more, maybe more manoeuvrable, but also slightly less stable because of the shorter wingspan. But definitely feeling that bump.
Oh, a hover. Oh, hello, tree.
Whoa, wing stall there in the breeze. Well, it's a different beast, all right, crikey.
So that's it, stalling, right, with the wing over. The Cub kind of can do that, can't it? It can kind of like
I think the
catch you
Cub
out.
can handle things at lower, tighter turns, lower speed. This needs a little bit more to cruise along.
Oh, because of the wings are shorter, maybe.
Yeah, well, yeah, less wingspan.
That is so close to the trees on the camera.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that. Straight down.
I think if we try taking off with just half flap, which is still considerable,
Whoa, look at that.
the thing's going to go straight up and backwards.
Just gonna loop.
Oh Lord!
So he
That
did
was
it
a mess.
anyway.
I tried to like ground loop and stall and roll out. That was terrible. Oh,
You're redefining what stall is, Phil.
that's called crashing.
Short takeoff and crashing.
Right, so half flap again, a bit more sedate this time.
Whoa!
Oh, you gotta watch that. It doesn't need so much flap, that's crazy. Get rid of that.
Looks nice though, Phil.
It's okay, but I like the Cub better for tight, slow handling. It can really take it. This thing wants to stall and drop a little bit too much.
Interesting.
Okay, it's a different character, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah.
Taking off.
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah.
You're on basically the same as me.
Right.
So
So it's really cool. No,
I'm alright for now, but you might want to change the number if that's alright.
Gonna go up.
Sorry
for your neck.
Okay, yeah.
I'll go for a wing over. Let's try. Oh, there goes my brother. Time for a landing. This Phil's surgical procedure.
This is how we get the shots. It's absolutely terrible. Bit of Velcro, tape, just eyeball it and hope for the best. Right, so that's that one. Just got to remember to turn it on when we go for the flight. And now we are totally bodging some information on the old dash. Hang on, let's just keep this all together.
What is that?
Right, this is, oh, I forget the name of it. Hang on, it's on my phone. This is the Speed Fleet, I think V2, which is supposed to give you lots of information. In this mode, it's supposed to give you, I think, speed in meters per second, or maybe kilometers per hour, altitude in meters, altitude from starting point, all that kind of stuff. And I'm hoping that it's going to work. I haven't used it before. I got it at a recent model flying show. It runs on a little 2S setup. I'm going to hide this somewhere, extend the cable any minute, tape it onto the front of the cowling and hope it doesn't come off. That feels okay.
Yeah,
We'll just go with it.
Go with it. I can see all your gubbins on the side of your plane when I look around.
That's it.
The wind is still bad.
So where are you at the moment?
Right behind you.
Okay, yeah, I can
Look-
see. Okay, I'll try and go smooth.
Looking at the camera.
As before, I'm going to try and go for some height slowly and steadily.
Getting some vibration through my motor again.
I'm getting some information on the screen, but it's flickering badly. Just see you wobbling around back there.
Yeah, wobbling around is the right way to describe it, I would say.
You're going to go for a right turn at that, very gentle. This pile of junk I put on the nose is great because if that's just under the horizon, I'm level or climbing slow. That's beautiful. That's such a good indicator.
That's funny.
A lump of foam.
Watch out for the Spitfire in front of us. Can you see him? Just in front and up.
Oh wow, yeah. Super cool.
There's 3 of us in formation.
Wow.
How about that? Oh, I got a break up there.
I've lost him. Has he disappeared?
Yeah, he's gone.
Okay. Going to brake left a bit, then do circle right.
Okay.
So I've got information on the screen here which you can just about read, but it's remembering what each lot of information means.
Yeah.
One's your altitude in meters, one's your speed. Definitely going to try and put this into a proper dash.
I do think that is like a limitation with the DJI system, is something to do with the shutter on the camera that causes that.
So you telling Charlie again?
Yeah, in the slot.
Gotcha, yeah, okay. Keeping it steady.
Oh, I got a bit too close then.
Have you got altitude reading?
Yeah,
Are we climbing or steady? Or
we are steady at 400 feet. Yeah, the wind's calmed off a lot. I think I've put my canopy on slightly wrong though, because I'm getting a little bit of shaking. Oh, bit of buffety there.
Yeah, I feel that. Well, my batch is secure. I'm happy with that.
Good stuff.
It's amazing what you can get away with, isn't it, with a bit of tape and a twist tie.
Amazing what you can get away with. I'm not sure I'd want to attempt the same. Oh,
Of course, we got the.
bit blowy there.
Is it the GoPro Hero 6 underneath?
It's the Session 5 is what it is.
Okay. That should have some good footage. Oh, look at the horizon now. The way that's either cloud or rain. Look at that.
Let's hope it's not rain.
It's
Eh?
like someone's been scribbling with a pencil too close to the edge. There he is down there. I think you can buy like a full cockpit screen that gives you like 6 gauges or something, and real-time GPS info. They're like 300 and something pounds, aren't they?
Yeah.
They are beautiful. Yeah, you can just about read this, but
Too many lines across the screen, huh?
Sorry?
Too many lines across.
It's just flickering.
Yeah, your GoPro camera, I think, is pointing slightly up still from me. But we'll see what it's quite wide angle, so.
given the position and the aircraft in flight, it should be slightly down from the
Yes.
horizontal.
I'm that close, I can sort of see the screen, you know, so it's just slightly
Yeah.
pointing
Can
up
you see
from
the
me.
red flashing light?
I can't actually, no, I'm not that close.
Oh, we got the light against you there. There's a circle patch just there. So I'm good and steady flight there. Just going to check my timer. 11 minutes. That horizon's crazy to look at, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
You just don't get that unless you're walking, you know, on mountains and stuff. You don't see the horizon like this.
Nah.
It's incredible.
You get some amazing views around this field, don't you?
Oh yeah. It's not an awful lot to block your view. So coming up to a boundary marker there, as I call it, so I'm just a tickle left.
Tickle
Left.
left.
Yeah.
Technical term, tickle left. Yeah, I'm going to have to come in for a landing, I think, unfortunately, Phil.
Okay.
Unless you want to
What
lead
pack
us.
are you flying on?
It's a 3,000 milliamp hour Lion.
Because you're using more stick, aren't you,
Yeah,
to maintain?
to
Okay.
try and keep up. I'm having to soar on the throttle, which...
Well, tell you what, I'm going to circle around and try and catch you up, okay?
Okay, so
I'm breaking off.
you're going to break off.
Try and catch you up.
Okay. Where are we, actually?
If you bank right, you'll be going towards the patch.
Okay, yeah, good, so...
I still can't see you.
Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm going to have to be careful here, Phil. I'm not sure I'm going to make it back, yeah.
Okay.
12.7 volts. Oh, crap.
Oh, there you
Okay.
are. Okay, gotcha.
That's full throttle for me. Oh, dear.
Just keep your nose down, steady speed, and try and make the field, if nothing else.
We're high enough, so hopefully...
Yeah, you're looking good there, mate.
Okay, that's
You're
fine
coming
now.
over, yeah, you're over the hedge line there.
It's just a bit daunting into wind because it
They
feels...
slow down, yeah.
It just proper, yeah. And then I'm on full throttle. It's come back now. I feel too high now, which is ironic. Oh, come on, get down.
I've
There
got
we
it,
go.
I've got it. Fly by, that's nice. Power up, bank away.
No, that was fun. That was fun. I'm just showing 16 minutes for me.
Right, so I'm going to come around and land now. That's reading, yeah, I think that's altitude bottom left. That's like 100 meters.
Oh, I see
or
you
less.
over my wing.
Got to land it here because as I went over the hedge, we got the farmer on the far side. So just to be safe and respectful, going to put this down on the patch for sure.
I've lost you under my wing.
Wind, wind, wind. Okay.
I can hear you, but I can't see you. Is there somewhere? Where is he?
Right, that's me done.
Ah, there we go. That was fun.